Hey there, supercoders! Today we're going to make a fun little game in Scratch, a collectible item game. Here's the idea. Our character will run around, and whenever they touch an item, boom, that item gets collected. Sounds fun, right? Let's dive in. First, we need a character. I'm going to choose a bird. And for the collectible item, let's take a coin. You can pick any sprite you like, but I'll stick with these two. Now, we want the coin to disappear when the bird touches it. So click on the coin sprite, go to the looks category, and drag the block hide into the coding area. Click on it once. See? The coin disappears. To bring it back, we'll use the show block. Perfect! Now let's make this automatic. From control, grab wait until. Inside it, put the condition touching bird. That means the coin will stay until the bird touches it. Once touched, poof, it hides. Nice! But wait, we don't want the coin to stay gone forever. Let's bring it back after 1 second and in a new spot. So under the hide block, add wait 1 second, go to XY. For the Y value, use the bird's Y position. For X, let's pick random between -185 and 185 so it moves side to side across the screen. Then put show back so the coin appears again. And don't forget to add show at the very beginning so it's visible when the game starts. Finally, add the green flag block at the top so everything starts when the game begins. Right now, our bird just sits there. Let's make it move. On the bird sprite, grab move 2 steps. Test it. It only moves once. We want continuous movement, so wrap it in a forever loop. To make the movement look natural, add multiple costumes to the bird. Then use next costume every 0.05 seconds. That gives it a flapping animation. Cool, right? Oh no! The bird goes off the screen! Let's fix that. Add if on edge bounce. Add set rotation style left-right. Perfect! Want to make the coin look shinier? Let's animate it. Add change size by 5, then change size by -5. Put them inside a forever loop. Add a small wait between them. Try 0.5 seconds. Too slow? Too fast? Adjust until it feels right. Now our coin has a cute bouncing effect. Let's add some up and down motion to our bird. For that, we'll use the change Y by 5 block. See? This makes the bird move 5 steps up. Now, if we add change Y by -5, it will move 5 steps down. To control this, we can place when up arrow pressed on top of the change Y by 5 block and when down arrow pressed on top of the change Y by -5 block. Perfect! Now our bird can fly up and down. Next, let's make the game more fun by adding different collectible items. We'll do this by giving the coin sprite multiple costumes. That way, each time it appears, the collectible will look different. To make it work, just add a next costume block inside the coins code so that whenever it shows up, its look changes automatically. Let's test everything together. We just need to make a small fix here. Right now, when the bird touches the collectible, it disappears. But the next time it shows up, it doesn't disappear. We can solve this by adding a forever loop. And there you go. It's working perfectly now. The bird flies, the coin appears and disappears when touched, and the coin even animates. If you'd like to learn how to glide your background like this, check out my tutorial on Supercoder Kid. That's it for today's game, Supercoders! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Scratch fun. Until next time, happy coding!